21 degrees and it's windy, and I love going out in weather like this because it always makes me feel kind of like a badass once I've accomplished it. But my biggest issue is my hands getting cold, and one thing I've discovered that's really useful is these cool bar mitts. They're very expensive, but they're worth it because they really keep your hands warm. But the problem is if you wear mittens, you can't change gears. And so I really needed a pair of fingerless gloves, and I wanted to go out today while the day was sunny and grab the chance while I had it. And so I whipped up
a pair of biking sleeves out of my boyfriend's brief style underwear.
It took me maybe 10 minutes. So I hope you enjoyed this video on fingerless biking glove. Hopefully it'll lead you to some cold weather riding. Get on out there, have fun.
For this project, all you'll need is a pair of fitted boxer briefs that are no longer useful. Clean, please make sure they're clean. The leg opening will serve as the opening for your new biking sleeves. Position your hand and arm so that the sleeve goes up exactly where you want it to, and one edge of your arm is along the fold of the pant leg. Trace about 1/4 of an inch away from your hand, your wrist, and then your forearm, all the way up to the top of the waistband. Trace both arms. To cut the first sleeve, cut through both layers along the line that you made. Cut out the second sleeve from the other leg of the briefs. Using a zigzag stitch and/or pulling gently as you sew, stitch along the open long end of the sleeves. Give your sleeve a high five exactly where you want the opening to lay. Make a mark with chalk or a pen to show this V. Sew along the V you marked using a zigzag stitch. Very carefully notch this V. Now you should be ready for some writing. Let's see how they did for me.
Oh my gosh, this has been an amazing ride. It's very windy, but my hands aren't cold at all. My feet, on the other hand, are a little chilly, but my hands are doing great.
I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to buy my book. If you like the video, please like and share a comment. And subscribe here if you want to be notified the minute I drop new upcycling videos.
Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.